I sailed across the Atlantic, thought I'd find myself. When I found you, gladly accepted all the lies you've given me. They kept me busy in this lonely city. I'm lost at sea, trying not to panic, though it's far too late for me to save you. So how did we all just disappear without warning into blue lights green? Blue lights green, blue lights green, blue lights green. Tried to read between the lines, wishing I could find a typo somewhere in the news when everything's been misconstrued. And I know we've missed the mark when we perfectly played our parts, holding broken mirrors right up to our heart. Lonely city streets of San Francisco. Guess we'll never know when we'll be back home. And I've learned to live with all this wasted time, renamed it healing time on these blue lights green. Blue lights green, blue lights green, blue lights green.
Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember everything we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be heard. You're never on my mind. Trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated. I know what you know, but you never say it. One of these days, gotta face the truth. Not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you, and I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think you've probably had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one who pray to God's up. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby,
be the sign that you were giving me? Is this a green light, or have I lost my sight? And they say wear your seatbelts, keep an eye out for yourself. But I just wanna take a detour, don't know where we're going anymore. And I can't wait to fall asleep, 'cause you're the only one I see in my dreams. And I'm so glad that you found me, 'cause you're the only man sweeping me off my feet. You got me off my feet, off my feet, off my feet. And I don't wanna waste my time with these other guys. Spend time patiently waiting for you to change my mind. So would you let me know the next time you're around? I'll drop whatever I'm doing, you know I'm always down. I got a picture of you painted behind my closed eyes, and I don't know